Take a ride in the 2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, security system, fog lights, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, towing package. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.